time we had them on air.
Oh my gosh, Alberti, yes. And
They're
we have these
so
in our bathroom.
squishy.
We have the latte, and I have 2 of those against, because we have double sinks. We have 2 with the sinks. Actually, we have 4.
Look at this.
The smaller one is in front of our stand-up shower, and another one is in front of our standing on a cloud. It's giving your hips, your knees, your back. It's just giving that, rather than a hard, flat surface, it's giving you warmth, it's giving you luxury. But we wanted to bring it in for, and you asked for that too, smaller size.
And then we also have the larger size, the 21 by 34, so almost 2 feet by 3 feet.
Yep.
And this one truly is like the big, soft.
Do you feel the floor?
No, you can't feel the
You don't
floor
feel the
because
cold
you
of
feel
the
the
floor.
cloud,
Yes.
right? Gray, latte, white, or that beautiful denim blue are your choices. But no matter what, today is the day to pick them up because we just got these back in stock, and we added the new size for you,
which
per
is that
your
smaller
request.
size. The other thing, my daughter has super long hair, and I was telling you I have a soaking tub in my bathroom. So I will wash my daughter's hair quite frequently, and so I have like one of the things the shower heads that come off, and I can spray her head. Or if you take care of your dogs that way, and you wash them in your bathtub. She kneels on this now instead of me getting a bunch of towels together so she against the tile floor. She doesn't need anything else except for this. So she kneels on that. She's very comfortable. Her knees are not hurting. And I'm able to wash her hair, wash the dog, right?
Listen, if you want it in the
not
blue.
implying my daughter is a dog.
Your daughter is gorgeous.
Thank
I know
you,
your
she
daughter.
is.
So there is that beautiful blue, denim blue. We have it for you in the white. Latte is the most popular and our most limited, so you don't want to wait on that. And then right over here, oh God, do you see that?
I know.
The gray, oh my gosh. They are so, so good. It's like therapy. First thing in the morning, you go into the bathroom, you step on this, you're like, oh, I'm alive, I'm awake, and I'm grateful. It's 503-0340, item number, Nancy Hornback. I'm grateful for you.
I'm grateful
so
for you,
being here.
Alberti. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Wraparound towel. So, hey, you know what? Get a couple of these, and you're going to be good to go. And they're incredibly thirsty.
Yeah.
So they are 100% cotton.
100% cotton.
So what do you mean by micro cotton?
So micro cotton actually is a long staple cotton, and so it's stronger, softer, and more durable than traditional cotton. That's your big old towel. This is one of our largest bath towels that we do in our brand.
Yeah.
So because
Look at
that's
this.
32.5 by.
It's as big as you are.
Oh,
that's a bath
look
towel.
Look at that. That is. Hello.
So there you are. Hello.
Hello.
This is great.
It's so great.
Do the honors on the colors on this. Would you, Nancy?
So this is your white. This is tan. I love that color, so I love you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Rick.